Hi guys, good morning. So I'm back in vlogging again. Today it's July 17. It's 6:30 a.m. So punta kami ng Manila ngayon. Medyo nagmamadali na ako kasi 7 a.m. after 30 minutes darating na yung na-rent namin na sasakyan. So I decided na mag-rent na lang kesa mag-bus kami kasi meron kaming mabigat na luggage. Anyway, I'll see you guys in Manila. And mag-i-stay kami ulit sa may Lizen Hotel for 2 nights. Then, ang flight ni Wayne is this coming Feb 19. Feb 19. So, this coming July 19. And, after nyan, uwi na rin ako agad kasi wala naman akong gagawin ng Manila. So, I'll see you guys in Manila. And, yun lang.
Hi. I'm leaving for 3 months. I'm sad.
Yes.
Look at my new shoes. Goodbye. She knows.
Bye, Wednesday. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye. Yes, we're in Makati. So we're heading to Pepper Lunch now.
Oh yeah.
For some lunch. Yes.
We deserve it.
So dito na kami sa Starbucks. We're here in Starbucks. Galing kami ng kanina ng Pepper Lunch, but they are already closed. So I think under renovation yung Pepper Lunch. Anyway, dito kami sa Starbucks and order na lang kami ng sandwich and some coffee. Dito na parating na si Wayne eh. Siya yung umorder ng ating food. Yeah.
Come back and get your sandwich. Hello, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. Now, I'll be back. Thanks, sir.
Latte and
Spam! They were only tiny, do you remember? They were in here.
yeah.
Yeah.
So he's having salmon veal and I'm having some spam
Spam.
and coffee. That's it.
Spam. Okay.
Thank you. Yes, we're back here. Yes.
PTSD.
Was this our room the last time?
I think it was.
No?
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah. We will leave the demon behind this time. The dog is with me now. Yes, he is.
Of course, with balcony.
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 Oh.
Hey, update you guys. It's now 2 o'clock. And nandito na kami sa aming hotel room. At
No towels.
no towels. Anyway, what is our activities for today?
Shopping.
Sleeping.
No, that is not going to happen.
So
I didn't spend all this time waiting for shopping.
So mamaya
You can
lalabas
see
kami.
tomorrow.
Kapahinga lang kami ng konti and lalabas kami mamaya kasi we only have 2 nights here. So, Friday ng madaling araw is mag-check out na kasi kami. Anyway, yun lang. At magpapahinga lang kami saglit, mag-charge ng phone. And then, lalarga na kami para, alam niyo na, magtingin-tingin sa labas kasi naghahanap siya ng kanyang isusuot para sa kanyang trip sa Oman. And yung mga damit niya kasi medyo maliliit na, kaya yun. So, ito yung hotel room namin. It's the same from the last time. May balcony kami dyan. And, ayan, napaka-relax.
No towels. Everyone's relaxed, even the staff.
Yeah.
Even the cleaning staff.
My AC. Yeah. My fridge, my locker, balcony. So, how much is this room when you book?
$20.
Huh?
$20.
$20 lang. Feeling ko hindi siya peak season ngayon, kaya mura lang. Unlike itong mga nagdaang mga months na nag-book kami dito. Parang mga nasa $30. So, ayun lang. Charge muna ako and update ko kayo later.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Pahinga-pahinga muna. Just having brownies. I've got crisscross, walnuts, and some waffles. Good morning.
Morning.
Morning. Just having breakfast.
Me. After fasting blood tests,
Yes.
which are all okay,
Yeah, that's
which is
good.
marvelous.
So, kahapon pumunta pala kami ng Sunny's and nakabili ako nito sa Sunny's kahapon kasi yung isang shades ko is lumang-luma na talaga. So, yan, nakabili tayo. Worth 500 pesos. Diba, ang ganda niya. Actually, green yung kulay nito eh, pero mukha lang siyang black. From Sunny's studio.
In Glorietta Mall.
In Glorietta. No, SM.
SM.
Yeah, we bought this in SM Makati. It's nice. Dito kami ngayon sa MOA and hinahanap namin yung 511 Tactical 511 Tactical Store kasi bibili siya ng kanyang polo. Yan. Ang baba. Yun lang naman. This kind of Yeah, with bean bags.
Yeah. And everyone's very nice.
This one, no?
Get a carpenter to do that. Color palettes. So I can see everything. Very nice. Yeah. So that's... I think you go for a darker tile.
Yeah. Ah, okay. See, there's also one, like a small one here.
Okay.
Hi guys, kakauwi lang namin ng bahay at sobrang traffic. At nag-decide na lang kami umuwi ng maaga para makapagpahinga ng maaga kasi maaga pa kami tomorrow. Anyway, magkukwik haul lang ako at bumili kami ng mga damit sa Decathlon. So, nakabili si Wayne ng kanyang mga polo shirt. Yan, may black, may blue, may green, navy green. Tapos alam ko apat yan eh. Tapos may isang dark blue siya na polo shirt. So, mura lang kasi sa Decathlon kaya doon na lang kami bumili. And yung mga tinignan namin sobrang mahal.
Wow!
Tapos, nakabili ako ng workout na band para sa akin. Kasi yung mga band ko, yung mga ganito ko, na binili sa Thailand, naiwan na lahat doon. So, hindi na namin naiuwi lahat. And then, nakabili ako nitong gloves. Para pagka gumamit ako ng dumbbell, hindi size small lang yung kinuha ko. Sakto lang sa kamay ko. Kasi maliit lang naman kamay ko. Para at least hindi magkaroon ng tawag nito kalyo. Tapos ano po bang binili ko? Bumili ako nito para pag nagra-running ako is meron ako lagayan ng cellphone and ng cash at susi just in case. Kasi kapag nagra-running kami, may bit-bit ako na isa kasi medyo malaki tapos umaalog. Ito talagang sakto lang. So, yun. Bumili ako nito. Tapos, nakabili ako ng mga murang pang-running. Ayan. Na mga t-shirt. So, nasa 290 pesos lang to. So, nakabili ako nitong blue. Itong light purple ba tawag kulay nito? What color is this?
Pale lavender.
Pale lavender yan.
Purple.
Yeah, purple. Tapos, nakabili ako ng black. Ubusan ng size doon. There's a lot of there's black of this one, but they don't have sizes. They have bigger size only, like 2XL and 3XL.
But that's nice.
This is extra small.
It's okay.
Tapos ito, nakabili rin ako nito. Yan, kasi yung mga ginagamit ko na mga pang gym at saka pang running is sobrang luma na kaya nagpalit na lang ako. Yan. Instead na bumili ako sa medyo mahal, mas pinili ko na bumili sa Decathlon para at least makabili ako ng marami. So, ito, isang size na lang to. Kaya may medium akong nabili eh. Malaki tong medium. Pero okay lang naman. Wala na siyang size. Lahat large and XL na lang ang meron. Kaya kinuha ko na lang yung medium. Tapos, pumunta kami ng Watsons. Bumili ako nitong yan, bibit-bitin ni Wayne na Sleep Asil. Tapos bumili ako ng aking Sorbifer iron para sa aking iron deficiency. And then, syempre, favorite na deodorant. Yan. Brightening deodorant. And then, ano pa ba mga binili ko? And then, bumili pala si Wayne, nakabili si Wayne ng kanyang polo shirt sa Gap. So, pareho lang din ang kulay, black. Yan. Kasi, buy 3 for the price of 2. So, kumuha na siya ng tatlong ganito. Kinuha lang niya, is black, blue, yan. And then, gray. So, naka-sale sila. Yan. Ang dami na namin pinuntang shop kasi sobrang mahal talaga. Yung isang t-shirt nila nasa 3,000. So, naghanap pa kami kanina sa MOA. Daming tao, kaya umuwi na lang talaga kami. Puti na lang, umuwi na rin kami kasi sobrang traffic na at muulan pa. So, mamaya, ang gagawin namin is pupunta kami ng Mercury. Bibili lang ng mga gamot niya and then tatambay kami ng Centuria. Tapos uwi na, matutulog kasi bukas 3 AM aga kaming aalis. So, yun lang. Ayan, nakikita siya. Who's leaving?
I'm leaving.
Yeah. What time is it?
4.
4 o'clock, yeah.
Just my kind of day. It kind of feels nice to be back up at 4. That used to be my usual modus operandi, if you remember.
Good morning, guys.
What?
So, it's 4 o'clock at inaantay na lang namin
It's
yung...
4:07.
Ha?
It's 4:07.
Yeah, it's 4:07. So, we're just waiting for our Grab.
For Naya.
Yeah, waiting na lang kami sa aming Grab. At I think 3 minutes nandito na rin yung Grab namin. On the way na kami sa... punta na kami sa airport.
For 3 minutes straight without a break.
So, ayun, on the way na kami sa airport. Tapos, after nun, kakain lang kami madalian. Tapos, mag-check-in na siya. Kasi ang check-in time niya, what time is your check-in time? 4:45, no? Yeah, so 4:45. So, ayun lang, wala akong tulog. As in, di ako nakatulog. Parang idlip lang siguro ng 10 minutes yung tulog
I can have
ko.
breakfast after I check in, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just have my boarding pass.
Yeah.
Not leaving the building.
So, yun lang. Saan ba yung aming ano? Basta parating na yung Grab. So, I'll see you later na lang sa airport.
Bye, YouTube.
At, yeah. Bye! Hi guys! So, nakauwi na ako ng bahay after 5 hours na trip from Manila to Dagupan. So, nakakapagod. Buti na lang at walang masyadong traffic ngayon. Buti na lang at walang masyadong traffic. So, plano ko pa sana pumunta kaninang magpa-massage. Kaso hindi ako natuloy. Kaya umuwi na lang ako, dumiretso ako ng bahay at magpapahinga na. So, ayun, medyo malungkot. Wala akong katabi for 3 months. And, ayun lang, nakakasad lang kasi hindi ako nakasama. Pero, meron namang napaka-importanteng dahilan kung bakit hindi ako nakasama. Kahit man na gusto kong pumunta at sumama sa kanya para maasikaso siya. Hindi ako nakasama talaga. Anyway, thank you for watching our vlog and I'll see you guys again sa aking next vlog pala. So, hindi nyo makikita si Wayne for 3 months sa aking vlog. So, hopefully makapag-vlog ako this coming few days, dire-diretso para at least namimiss ko na rin kasi mag-edit and mag-vlog ulit. Anyway, yun lang. Magpapahinga muna ako. Dito na ako sa room. Thank God. Okay ang biyahe ko. Okay ang biyahe ko kanina. And hopefully is safe din ang flight ni Wayne. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching. See you again sa aming next vlog.